As he celebrates his 90th birthday at the end of August 2020, Warren Buffett is a living legend. The Oracle of Omaha remains the greatest investor of all time. Embracing the value investing philosophy of his mentor Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett has a track record of success that spans more than 50 years. Staying at the top for that long obviously commands respect. Warren Buffett has made a fortune in the stock market. He has always praised the merits of this market, which smiles at those who know how to be patient. He advocates patience because that's how he built his success. An absolute fan of the stock market, Warren Buffett has always been considered a fierce opponent of gold. In a letter to Berkshire Hathaway investors dated 1998, Warren Buffett stated the following about the precious metal. Gold gets dug out of the ground in Africa, or someplace. Then we melt it down, dig another hole, bury it again and pay people to stand around guarding it. It has no utility. Anyone watching from Mars would be scratching their head. This statement is unambiguous. Since that statement by Warren Buffett, the world has faced three major economic shocks, in 2000, then in 2008, and finally, the one we're facing in 2020. Considered a tremendous store of value for centuries, gold has played its role perfectly since 1998. Indeed, the price of an ounce of gold has risen by plus 550% since then. While the US dollar has been weakening steadily for years, gold recently saw the price of an ounce exceed $2,000 for the first time in its history. The current situation is a real game changer that makes even the most obtuse minds think. Thus, Warren Buffett has officially announced that Berkshire Hathaway has liquidated most of its positions on US banks, in addition to those already liquidated in March 2020 on airlines. Berkshire Hathaway, for example, no longer has any position in Goldman Sachs. Instead, Warren Buffett decided to buy 21 million shares in Barrick Gold, a company specializing in gold mining. This represents a position of $563 million. Although Warren Buffett did not directly buy gold, he now seems to have changed his mind and is starting to bet on companies whose returns are strongly linked to the return on gold. A real revolution for the Oracle of Omaha. This change in mindset suggests that Warren Buffett may even be able to change his position on Bitcoin, which he has long called rat poison squared. This seemed impossible at the beginning of 2020, but this coronavirus pandemic is likely to completely reshuffle the cards. As a reminder, the Bitcoin price has risen by plus 65% since the beginning of 2020. Often described as digital gold, Bitcoin has several important advantages over gold. If Warren Buffett had used the $563 million to buy Bitcoin, he could have bought it for more than 47,700 BTC. Of course, we're not there yet, but the two big questions that come up frequently in the Bitcoin world are now the following. How long will it take before Warren Buffett changes his mind about Bitcoin? What will be the Bitcoin price when Warren Buffett buys it? I had fun asking this second question to my followers on Twitter. The people following me are mostly Bitcoiners or people interested in cryptocurrencies. So, the result must be considered with this initial bias. As you can see, the majority of the respondents believe that Warren Buffett will never open his eyes on Bitcoin. Last week, I saw a statement from Max Kaiser explaining that Warren Buffett will enter Bitcoin when its price reaches $50,000, probably in the year 2021. For my part, I think that Warren Buffett will never make the effort to go back to his original position because he's too closed for that. He finds it hard to apply to himself the golden rule he loves to put forward, which is that you have to constantly increase your knowledge throughout your life. The fact that he hasn't done so for many years has caused him to miss the wave of GAFA in the stock market, and now he is missing out on Bitcoin. That being said, I would like to know your position, and both of your answers to the questions I asked in this story. I look forward to hearing your answers in the comments. Many people often ask me what my strategy is with Bitcoin. I may surprise you, but it is actually extremely simple. This strategy is within everyone's reach, but before you can access it, you will need to understand the problems Bitcoin addresses. Once you understand this, you will have the confidence to apply this strategy. This strategy is within everyone's reach as long as you have full confidence in Bitcoin and its revolution. My strategy with Bitcoin consists of 4 steps. Buy Bitcoin automatically with a dollar cost averaging (DCA) approach. Many applications exist for this. Program the automatic sending of these Bitcoins to your hardware wallet using one of the applications you will buy. Hodl Bitcoin no matter what. Iterate from step 1. This simple strategy will allow you to become a Bitcoin hodler. You'll have an essential advantage over Bitcoin traders. You'll be able to lead a more zen life, and more importantly, you'll be able to focus on the essentials. What I mean here is that you will have time to learn more about Bitcoin money and the economy. It is by educating yourself that you can take care of your future when it comes to money. The economic crisis of 2020 has brought this essential reality to the forefront. You may have doubts about this strategy that I have just unveiled to you. Hodling Bitcoin has been a profitable strategy more than 97% of the time since the creation of Bitcoin. So, signing up for the long term with Bitcoin is a no-brainer. The hardest thing will be to stick to your strategy with Bitcoin no matter what happens in the future. Hodling Bitcoin has been difficult at times so far. However, this is nothing compared to what you can expect psychologically in the months and years to come. As Bitcoin will see its price skyrocket to constantly break its records, you should keep in mind that if you were to sell your Bitcoins, you would regret it sooner or later in the future. Be strong, and stay a Bitcoin hodler no matter what. The Bitcoin revolution will take time, but if you have patience, you will be greatly rewarded when its price reaches heights that many thought were unimaginable when it was created.